How do I convert handwriting to text on an iPad? If you have ever wondered how to turn your handwritten notes into digital text on your iPad, you are in for a treat. This can be a game changer for your time management and productivity as a teenager. Let's break it down step by step so you can make the most of your note-taking. First, you will want to use the Apple Notes app, which is built right into your iPad. To get started, open the Apple Notes app and create a new note. This is where the magic begins. Next, select the markup tool, which looks like a pencil icon. You can use an Apple Pencil or even your finger to write your notes naturally. Write as you normally would, and don't worry about making it perfect. Once you have written your notes, it is time to convert them. Use the lasso tool to circle or select the handwritten text you want to turn into typed text. This tool is very handy and allows you to choose exactly what you want to convert. After selecting your handwriting, tap on it. A menu will pop up, and you will see the option that says Copy as Text. Tap that option, and your handwritten notes will be converted into text. Now, you can paste this text anywhere in your note or even in another app, making it easy to edit or share. This feature is especially useful for studying or working on assignments, as it allows you to keep everything organized. One more thing to note is that Apple Notes automatically makes your handwriting searchable. This means you can find your notes quickly without needing to convert them first. To make sure this feature works well, your iPad should be running iPad operating system 14 or later and must support Apple Pencil. If you want to convert handwriting in real time, some apps like Notability or Microsoft OneNote also offer this feature. However, keep in mind that OneNote treats handwriting as images and may requiring syncing with a Windows device for conversion. To improve your handwriting recognition, make sure you write clearly and at a moderate size. This will help the iPad understand your notes better. Also, remember to update your iPad and apps regularly to benefit from the latest features. Using cloud syncing, like iCloud, can help you access your notes across different devices. This way, you can study or work on your assignments from anywhere. By combining the natural feel of handwriting with the convenience of digital text, you can make your study sessions more efficient and organized. So grab your iPad, start writing, and enjoy the ease of converting your notes into text.